Welcome to this complete walkthrough of the Medical Insurance Cost Prediction System, an end-to-end machine learning project built using Python, Flask, and the Random Forest Regressor model. In this video, we will explore the dataset, pre-processing steps, model training, evaluation, deployment, and a live demonstration of the user interface. Medical insurance costs depend on several personal and lifestyle factors such as age, BMI, smoking status, number of children, gender, and region. Understanding these complex interdependencies is crucial for accurate predictions. The primary goal of this project is to build a robust system that can accurately predict the insurance cost a person is likely to pay, based on these specific attributes, providing valuable insights into healthcare expenses. The dataset used in this project is insurance.csv, which contains over 1,300 rows of real-world insurance entries. It includes 7 important columns: age, sex, BMI, number of children, smoker yes or no, region, and charges, which is the target variable. This dataset gives us the perfect opportunity to apply statistical analysis, visualization, and machine learning. We performed extensive exploratory data analysis to understand the relationships between different features. As expected, smokers tend to pay significantly higher insurance charges compared to non-smokers. We also observed trends between region and charges, but smoking and BMI remain the most influential factors. The project follows a simple and structured pipeline: dataset loading, pre-processing, exploratory data analysis, feature encoding, model selection, random forest training, evaluation, and finally model deployment through a Flask web app. We experimented with multiple regression algorithms, such as linear regression, ridge regression, and logistic regression. However, the Random Forest Regressor outperformed the others by capturing nonlinear feature interactions and providing strong accuracy. It also handles outliers well and is robust for real-world tasks like insurance pricing. The dataset is split into training and testing sets. After feature encoding and scaling, the random forest model is trained on the training data. The model achieved excellent performance with high accuracy and low mean squared error. These results make it suitable for real-world deployment. Once the model was trained, we integrated it inside a Flask backend. The backend receives user input, processes the features, uses the trained random forest model to generate a prediction, and returns the result instantly. This makes the system fast, lightweight, and easy to deploy. The front end is built using HTML, CSS, and Materialize CSS framework. It provides a clean and elegant interface where users can input age, BMI, gender, smoker status, and region and instantly get the predicted cost. Here is a demonstration of the system in action. The user enters their details, clicks the Predict Probability button, and receives the insurance cost estimation instantly. This prediction is generated by the trained random forest model based on learned patterns. This project uses a powerful combination of technologies: Python for data science, Pandas for pre-processing, Seaborn and Matplotlib for visualization, scikit-learn for machine learning, Flask for backend deployment, and Materialize CSS for the front-end interface. This medical insurance cost prediction system is a complete end-to-end machine learning project designed for students, beginners, and developers. It teaches the full workflow, from data processing and model training to deployment and user interaction. With a ready-to-use web interface and a powerful random forest model, this project is perfect for academic submissions, resume enhancement, and real-world learning.